This clip has broken on me 3 times. Yes, 3 times. It's a little plastic latch on the cupboard in the back of Rita, our VW T6.1 camper van. Every time it breaks, I have to buy a replacement. And here's the bit that really gets me. You can't just buy the clip, you have to buy the full assembly. So that's £8 every time. And I broke 3. That's 24 quid on a clip that keeps breaking. But my friends, not anymore. So the cupboard obviously is part of my aftermarket conversion on the VW T6. I use the cupboard constantly. It's like full of glasses, Seb stuff goes in there. It's a really, really useful cupboard. Open and close it every single trip. The clip that holds it is small. It's plastic. It's a very, very specific shape. You can't just grab something similar, not that I'm aware of, from B&Q or somewhere like that. And when it snaps, the cupboard just keeps on coming out, going back in, smashing out. I have to wedge something up against it. Now, the annoying part isn't even the £8, it's the fact that you need to buy the whole assembly. The front bit and the latch also, and obviously this. So you have to buy both parts, even only when it's this that is broken. So I've ended up with 3 latches that I don't actually need because that's never broken. And it was only a matter of time before it actually went again because we keep just ramming stuff in there. This, my friends, is the solution. One of the very clever lads in work has a 3D printer. He took all the critical dimensions, including even the reinforcing little struts, and 3D printed it in work. And he didn't only just make me 1, he made me 10 of them. So I am quids in for the next 10 breakages. Same shape, same design, clips into exactly the same spot. And it works. I've fitted it and it absolutely holds. We've already been out on a couple of trips and I've had no issues with the cupboard. Now, they're probably not absolutely identical, but damn, they look it. And it works perfectly. The cupboard closes properly and I haven't had to pay a penny for it. And the main thing is, it absolutely does the job. So here's the thing though, I should have put less in the drawer, but you know when you want to take everything away in the kitchen sink, you just cram all the drawers as much as possible and you expect just these things to hold up and be absolutely fine so you don't need to replace them. I do overfill it, it does become a dumping ground for everything. Every time I was closing it, I'm forcing the latch under pressure and wondering why that is breaking. It's obvious that's the reason why it's breaking. So yes, a 3D printed clip is the fix, but I do also need to stop overfilling it and treating that cupboard like a skip. So there you go. She's beautiful. So the verdict, if you've got access to a 3D printer and this keeps happening to you, get some 3D printed. It fits exactly where the original one did and it is boiling in here. If you do want the STL file for this, please just comment down below if you want it and I'll get it off the lads in work and I'll send it over to you. They will happily do that, or I'll happily do that. I'm on TikTok, Twitter, I'll give you my email or whatever, but I'll send it over to you and then you can get this printed if you have obviously this design. If not, you could probably modify the file to fit your needs. So it is £8 saved every single time, certainly with me. It doesn't sound like much, but when it's £8 every single time and it's already happened 3 times, then actually it's £24. That's a night on a campsite for free. So if you do find videos like this useful, I thought I'd just do this because it was a real pain point for me. If you do find this useful, please think about subscribing. It's honestly free, like 0 cost. Or even if you don't want to do that, like the video, or even if you don't want to do that, comment, or even if you don't want to do that, just thanks for getting this far, and we really appreciate it, Kathleen, Seb and myself, and we look forward to sharing our adventures with you because I love doing things like this. And if this helps out any of you, then yeah, this is what the internet's for, isn't it? Just to let you know, I've filmed this video and it is absolutely red as in here. I closed the door to the van because Seb was having a meltdown and it's absolutely boiling. I think it's about 31 outside at the moment, so God knows what it is in here. But I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, ciao, ciao.